Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboRequest. You ask, we build. Each month, we bring you creative ideas to life with an exciting robotics project. And this time, we have got something super fun and creative. A Dino game auto player using Arduino LDR sensor and Servo Motor. Now, this project's tutorial is inspired by awesome request from DurgaJoy6379 and Nived Koval, who asked us to make a complete tutorial on this project. Big thanks for your amazing idea. Keep your requests coming. Your idea might be our next build. So let's dive into it. Here what we will need for this project. Arduino Uno, LDR sensor, light dependent resistor, servo motor, 10K resistor, jumper wires, USB cable, computer and laptop to run the Chrome Dino game. Now let's start by setting up the connections. Connecting the LDR sensor. Now take the LDR sensor. Connect one leg of the LDR to the 5V of Arduino. Connect the second leg of Arduino to analog pin A0 of Arduino. Now connect one terminal of the 10K resistor to the GND of the Arduino and another to this leg of LDR only, which we have connected to A0. Now completes our voltage divider circuit, which helps Arduino read light intensity properly. Now take the servo motor. Servo has 3 wires. Brown wire connect to GND, red wire connect to 5V, orange wire connect to the digital pin 9 of Arduino. Now our servo motor connection is complete. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram before moving ahead. Now download the code from the description below and open it in Arduino IDE. Let's understand how this code works. First we include the servo library. This library helps Arduino control the servo motor easily. Next we create a servo object. This allows Arduino to control the servo motor movements. Now we define the pins. Here A0 reads light intensity from LDR, pin 9 controls servo motor. Next we create variables. IDR value stores sensor readings. Threshold decides when servo should move. You can adjust this threshold depending on lighting conditions. Now comes the setup function. This start communication between Arduino and serial monitor. It helps us check sensor readings. Next, this attached servo motor to pin 9. Then this sets servo position to initial angle. Now comes the main logic of the program. First, Arduino reads LDR value. Then it prints value on serial monitor. This helps us adjust the threshold value correctly. Now comes the decision making part. If obstacle appears in front of LDR, light reduces, then servo moves. Servo presses the jump key, so Dino jumps automatically. Otherwise, servo runs to original position. And finally, this adds a small delay for stable movement. Now connect Arduino Uno to your computer using USB cable. Open Arduino IDE, select the correct board, Arduino Uno, then select the correct port. Now click on upload button and the code will upload successfully. Now open Google Chrome, turn off your internet connection, open a new tab, press spacebar, Chrome Dino game will start. Now place the LDR sensor in front of screen. Adjust its position near the cactus detection area. Attach a servo horn over the keyboard spacebar. When cactus appears on screen, light falling on LDR changes, Arduino detects change. Servo presses spacebar automatically and Dino jumps. So now your Arduino Dino game player is ready. Now if the servo is not responding properly, open serial monitor, check LDR readings, adjust threshold values like threshold equals to 450 or threshold equals to 600 depending on lighting conditions. Now after uploading the code, you can power Arduino using USB cable or a battery pack. Then mount servo properly over keyboard spacebar, place LDR near obstacle detection area and enjoy automatic gameplay. This project helps students learn sensor interfacing, automation logic, servo control, and real-time detection system. Human-machine interaction concepts, and it's a super fun beginner robotics project for learners. Special thanks again to DurgaJaya6379 and Nived Koval for suggesting this awesome project. If you also have a project idea, drop it in the comments below. Maybe your idea become our next RoboRequest build. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.
RoboArmy. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.